In this video, I'd like to quickly show you how to dub your presentation with audio commentary without speaking yourself. We'll use the text-to-speech feature that you can find in Video Vision 2024 and Stages 2024. Here I am in Video Vision, and here are some pictures that you can see to which an explanation should be heard during playback. You can record the audio right in the program, but maybe you don't have a microphone or just don't want to listen to yourself. Then you can let others speak for you. With the text-to-speech function, which can now be found directly in Video Vision and Stages, you enter your text, and an artificial voice will read it aloud. You can choose from the voices that can be found in your windows. Depending on the chosen voice, the spoken parts will sound somewhat natural. I'll show you where to find the languages and where you can also add languages. Go to your computer's system settings and type Voices into the search bar. Then you'll be directed to the right page where you can see the available voices. You can also listen to them. You have chosen Microsoft Katja as the default voice, and you can add voices too. For instance, if you've been on a vacation and wanted to pronounce the landmarks in the original language, you could add that language's voice. That's it for that. Back to the program. All I need now is to type my text into this text field, and then I can get a preview with the chosen voice. Berlin, City of Contrasts. I could also have it read back to me in a different voice. Berlin, City of Contrasts. And when I'm satisfied, I'll press OK. And the soundbite I just heard will be directly inserted here as an audio file, as a sound object. And I can place it to match my paintings. Berlin, City of Contrasts. And that was it. You can create and insert as many sounds as you like. Insert object, then insert the text to be spoken. Check if it sounds good. The Berlin TV Tower is with 368 meters the highest building in Germany. Sometimes you can change a few punctuation marks or spell words differently so that they are pronounced correctly. It's really fast. You will then receive a WAV file that is stored directly on your computer and can be used again and again. I generate here once again text into speech. And of course the sounds inserted in this way can also be cut, just like other sound objects. Right next to it, the red town hall. In front of the town hall, the Neptune fountain bubbles merrily. I make now, for example, here a cut between the two sentences and can place them so freely in the timeline. Should you notice afterwards a mistake, you can also edit such an object afterwards, per right-click. You can then change the text and save the changed sound file again. Then 2 more tips. Sometimes you're not sure how long the audio commentary will be, and maybe the picture is just too short. I have this sound here, for example, which is just under 7 seconds long, but my image with the camera pan only lasts 5 seconds. I could manually increase the display time of the image and also change the camera pan. Or I could make it a little easier on myself and use the intelligent scaling. I want to bring my image to the length of the sound. I click on Intelligent Scale and say increase the duration to 7 seconds and adjust the camera pan accordingly. The display time and camera pan are now set to 7 seconds, so the image and the camera pan are visible for as long as the sound is heard. The red town hall is right next to it. In front of the town hall, the Neptune fountain is bubbling cheerfully. It's a popular meeting spot in the summer. And here's a second tip.
There's another new feature in version 2024. You can now change the speed of sounds.
So you could make a sound play faster. I'm going to increase the speed here a lot. In front of the town hall, the Neptune fountain bubbles merrily. It's a popular meeting place in the summer. You can create a Mickey Mouse effect, so to speak. Maybe you can use this somewhere. Of course, finer values are more suitable. I'll show the finished example again in a moment, and perhaps you can write in the comments if you use text-to-speech solutions like this, or prefer to set your slideshows and videos to music yourself. And if you liked the video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks! At 368 meters, the Berlin TV Tower is the tallest building in Germany. Right next to it is the Red Town Hall. In front of the town hall, the Neptune fountain bubbles merrily. It's a popular meeting place in the summer. But there's also a lot to discover away from the usual sights.